today I'm going to be doing my hair for vacation. So today I'll show you a picture. I'm going to be doing Coi Leray braids on my hair, but like up to here. Yeah, it's going to be like cute, kind of, yeah. Real cute. It is gonna be cute. But yeah, I know I haven't been on YouTube for so long, and I'm not even gonna lie like I usually do in my thing and be like, oh my gosh, new videos every week, or I'm gonna start being consistent. I did like a really cute hairstyle, and I wish I recorded it, but I wasn't home, so like I couldn't record it. Everything that you need for the style will be in the description box below in the details. But yeah, so this is me doing my Coi Leray braids. So let's get right into it. Hey everyone, so this video is going to be half voiceover, half live, where I'm going to be saying some instructions like inside of the video and then other instructions through voiceovers. So before starting the style, I split my hair in half from the tip of my left ear to the tip of my right ear. And then I start on the back part to begin my entire hairstyle. Then I section my hair into one row, and then I section that into three. And then I put edge control around the first part, and then I begin my braid. Okay, so here I am, starting on the first row. I don't add the curls until the very end, but this is basically me showing you guys how I start the braid and how I seal it with a rubber band at the end. Now we're gonna fast forward to the part of the video where I have done the whole back. So I just looked at a quick tutorial on how to do the heart, so that's what I'm working on right now. And I'm gonna try to use a double mirror. But I already split my hair in half, like the front part in half. So yeah, y'all are just gonna be seeing me like try to work on this heart. And I'm gonna do the stitch one, not like the one where you just do the heart and then put the braid on it. I wanna try the stitch one. And if the stitch one doesn't work out, then I'm gonna just do the other one. So I'm low-key scared about this heart. So yeah, but it's coming out really nicely. It's like almost 2:30 right now, so yeah. So I didn't know how it was gonna look when I did it, but basically this is how the heart looks. So this is how it looks. I just have to fix it up a little bit more. She looks a little lopsided, but I just have to fix it up a little more. So basically what I did was I started with the diagonal line first. I feel like it would have been easier if I started the entire hairstyle with the heart first, but I basically, since I started the back and my hair is basically all equal, I like started with the diagonal line from here or wherever you see it, and I started from diagonal line, and then I did the first loop, and then I did the second loop. And when I did the second loop, I did the round part, and then I just like took the edges out, and it shows like the shape of the heart. I'm gonna fix it up some more, but this is how it's looking so far. It's kind of eating, but yeah, that's what I did. I'm excited now. It's looking like uneven. That's the problem. I feel like these look too sharp. I want it to look more roundish, but it's still cute. So BRB. So basically I start the heart by splitting it in half. So here's the half, and then I split the subsection in half, and that's what I did. So now I'm gonna start braiding. The first one was a little difficult, but I knew it was gonna be hard. But I don't know if it's giving the heart shape that it's supposed to be, and this is kind of down, so I'm gonna like connect them when they're done. I'm gonna like sew them together at the end. But yeah, now for this part, the front part, hopefully, you know, comes together nicely. I would record me doing the actual stitch braid, but my stitch braiding skills are not up there, I'm not gonna lie, so that would be useless to the tutorial. But does this one look as good as I think it does? Hopefully. Okay, here is my ghetto ass heart. I did my best, and I'm gonna sew it at the end like this, like that, so it could be like together. Oh, this look is cute as I think. From afar, can you tell it's a heart? I don't know. But anyway, that's the heart. And now I'm gonna do the rest of the hairstyle. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be adding the curling flexing rods to my hair. There weren't enough to do like the whole hairstyle all at once. So I just ended up like doing 3/4 of my hair and boiling, and then the last quarter when I had enough curling rods. And I chose small curling rods instead of the big ones because I wanted my curls to look like tight. And even at the end of the video, you're gonna see that they're not as tight as I want them to be, but I just wanted them to be giving like a tight look. So after removing all of the flexi rods and letting all the curls come out, I just cut it to my desired length. I wanted mine to be like just above or bra strap length. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, like the tip of the bra strap length. And yes, I was just cutting them and making sure that it was giving that long bob look that I wanted. But you can honestly cut it to whatever length you want to. The curls are still going to look just as nice. Does it look like heart?
Yeah. It does.
That wasn't convincing.
The arc is that, like, it's an arc.
Is it what?
It's an arc.
What does that mean?
You do the arc.
Oh. So I use the needle and thread to basically sew the heart together. I don't really know how to explain sewing hair together. It's pretty simple. I just wrapped it around a few times and put it like the sewing needle in between the heart a few times until I felt like it was tight enough. So after that's done, the hairstyle is pretty much done. So I'm just like adding mousse and blow drying my hair to like do the final steps. And yeah. This is the end result. So yeah. I'm also gonna try, yeah, that's it. Please like, comment, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to get a lot more hair tutorials out for y'all. I really like the heart. I really think I did a good job. The only thing I wish these were like a tighter curl pattern, and that's the purpose of me getting the smaller curling rods, but it's fine, it's whatever. It's still cute to me. It's currently 6 a.m. I watched the sun come up, yeah. But you know, that's regular for me. But this is the end.